Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we did Adonai. We addressed the comments about the picking that I use for the freestyle picking for the Adonai. So we can try the G because I know most beginners don't like the bar chord system. So you are more comfortable with the G. So let's go to G. Oh, you can't just run away from the bar chord because the mi is a bar chord there. Yeah. Adonai. So let's try. I don't know if I should go to the E that I did. If I go to E, then I'm going to put this couple on the on the 9th fret. That's going to be crazy. Sorry, my couple is not responding. Let's leave it, else we'll be in trouble. So let's go straight to the G. Maybe if you are still struggling with the bar chords, maybe let's, instead of the mi, try and play the D and C. So that's for beginners, but it's advisable to play that B minor chord. Okay. So like we did in the C, we just want to try and spell the songs. In the G is very I think I'll say it's a bit difficult. I was here to change the shape. So I'll play the, I don't know if I can show this. So I'm playing the 4th string, La, 4th, then 2nd. So if you are okay with the picking pattern, how to position your fingers is easy this way. So you just the thumb and the middle finger. So just like we did in the C, so just find the notes. So I think this one is the 3rd string. With the same string, the 3rd string, back to the La, then the Mi, the same string, hey, and then the 4th strings. So let's try it again. So you can add flair like we did in the C. There's no special formula. You can play it once you are in that same chord progression. Whilst you pick those 3 individual notes that form that chord, it kind of give you that melody. So I'm picking from the 4th to the 2nd to the 1st string. think I'll put it on the screen. I'll add the tempo. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and spell this one. So I think you just have to understand how to play any chord, the various variations in any other chord is very essential and it's very important, because the guitar, you are not just playing the notes, you need to know the chords. So it's better to understand the should I say the fundamentals behind those chords. So if you know that you are playing A minor and E minor, if you modulate, it means that you need to move further and bar this side, because this part was covered by the neck. Yeah. So so as you move further, you are going to different keys. So in the F shape, I know that the G is here because the G note starts from here. This is out from the I've deviated a little bit from the tutorial, but yeah, I'm just saying this to encourage you to learn the bar chords. Don't feel comfortable in the same shape, because G, if the vocalist is singing in a key that is behind G, let's say F, it means that you have to put your capo somewhere here, and you won't have access to all these. There are some songs that you have to move a little bit further. So if you've learned the bar chords, you can play the G here. If the person chooses to sing in F sharp, you can start from here. If the person chooses to sing in F, or you can play here. You just have to know where those chords are. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful. If you have any suggestion, don't forget to leave in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Thank you, and catch you later.